Hello and welcome to Affinity. When you're trying to get information about a plugin filter that you maybe want to edit or change in some way, sometimes you find that the filter that you're trying to get to has got a vignette on it. And so the question is, how do you copy that vignette? And it's really quite easy. So what you do is, let's do Control J here for a moment. So I'm going to go to Filters, Plugins, say Nick, go to the color effects. We'll just do a straight vignette from this. So this is down here. I got this vignette filter, and you can change this to whatever shape you like and change the color here. So let's start off with just an ordinary black one. Say OK there. So it's got that one there. Now what I'm going to do is to do this again, but in a slightly different way. So I can hit Control J to duplicate this, but I'm just going to fill this with white, and you'll see why in a minute. So a simple way to do that, go to Gradient Tool, make sure it's solid, and there you go, the default color there is white. We've got it already. So now then I want to apply that to the filter again. So I go to Filters, Plugin, Nick, Color Effects Pro, and you'll get ourselves a nice black filter with just white in the middle. Like that, so that's okay. So now I've got the filter, the black one here, and the original. So I'll take that one here. Let's call that one filtered. Call this one original. And call this one vignette. And so I'll put the filtered underneath that the way. So I just got the vignette above the original. And all I'm going to do is from here just change the blend mode to darken or multiply. Multiply is better, isn't it? But you could use any of the ones here. Multiply is the one that's going to get closest to the original. So if I shift group, click there, and Control G to group those, so that's the new one, and I turn the bottom one on, so I turn this one off. There's the original, and there's our adjusted one. It is slightly different, but what it means is I can go into here now and adjust that in any way I like. If I alt click that, I could paint this, for example, in white and adjust parts of this one. So I can just paint in there. Let's get to the original. So I paint it on the vignette one. Here I can paint bits, around here and adjust it in any other way that I like. Anyway, that's very simple how you do it. The other thing is, if you got a white filter, then what you're going to do is the reverse is you do in black, and then instead of a multiply, you're going to do a screen. So that's it. That's very simply all it is. If you want to copy a vignette, use the black or white. If you're not sure, you can also do grey and play with that in different blend modes like overlay. So that's it, and thank you very much for watching.